Let's get
So
started.
let's go. Let's go in the shortcut. Look, she's vlogging. Say hi. Hi. Subscribe her channel, and her channel is...
Hey, it's Princess. I subscribe to her channel
And
Aya Asay.
no, my channel is Aya channel.
Aya channel.
Hi. Hi. So nice here. We're using the phone, not a camera. So we just have water here and only here. Look, where's the big fish? Can't see the fishes. Oh, here it is. Look at this. Look at this fish. Yes.
Then not clear have dirty water.
Oh, look, the big fish. Where did it go?
Ano pa? Sabuan ko ni Mama. Tawag na po ni Mama pa.
Okay, we're going.
Nag-video mo din.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's our language. Sorry.
It's our favorite language. Language.
So we're studying
Yes. We're not really a American. We're just a Filipino. Yes. Nice. Look. We're going inside the office. Look, this is our office. So look, OMG.
Hey, you're looking at my text.
Yes.
That's private.
No. Look, her games.
It's not game, it's social media. It's not.
Shit, that is a game.
This is not my games, it's just for editing, and this one is for like screen.
And this
video.
is the Angela game.
My extras,
Yes. And look,
social media.
yes,
This is on Facebook.
the social media. She got a Facebook. So, thank you for watching my video. Which ones you guys saw in my next video? Comment down below. What's your term? So, bye, subscribe, and bye.